Hello, dear friends. I'm Baber Don again back with new video of breakdance learning. So in last session, uh, I taught you how to do full body parts exercises, and in today's training session, I will teach you about basics. What are the basics which helps you in easing the process of learning breakdance? There are many things which are very much important for easiness of learning breaking through concepts, practicality, and then planning. So there are many basics such as handstands. Handstands means you are standing on your hands and your legs up, and like there is a headstand, head balance, like balancing on head, and there is a hand balance, like balancing on hands, elbow. Except this footwork. Footwork means like doing all moves on your toes and heels, and including both using your foot, hands. So this footwork. There is freezes, power moves, down rocks, knee rocks, footwork, throwdowns, and there are some other elements which is negligible or noticeable. Okay, that is musicality, originality, creativity, and main is performativity. So let's start. Today I will teach you how to balance on head. Okay, so balancing on head is not that easier or straightforward, just like you can do it, or anyone can do it. You must know the rules to keep in mind before you practice any stunts, as this is in the category of stunts. Okay, your hands should be open this much. Okay, your shoulders will be equal, and then your hands will be like this. You have to open your fingers, both hands, like this, and you have to balance on your using your palm and fingers. Your head should be very straight like this, and this should not be loose, otherwise you will crack your neck and head. And the belly part should be stable, like at one position. It should not be moving from this to that. Okay, and your legs should be also stable. Okay, there are different poses, variations in leg postures, also hands. Okay, so let's start from the basic. Okay, be calm, be patient, and just think, plan, and just imagine it, like how you are going to do that. So think, then act. Before acting, it should not be like you did not thought that what you are thinking to do. Okay, first you have to sit like this is a very basic thing. Okay, sit very calmly, and then open your legs. There should be difference. You have to put your hands first on the ground like this, as I told you. Okay, then you have to stand on your foot like this. Okay, this leg will be here, and then slowly move your head towards ground like this.
First, you have to do like this basic. This is the basic. You have to do like this, and you don't have to lift your leg from the ground. Just to practice this.
And you must be knowing like where your balance should be, like at which place on your head you will be standing, like this or there or front or side. No, it is at the center, like here. Okay, so you have to practice it again and again like this, but then gradually you will lift your one leg and then second leg. Okay, like, and gradually you will be able to balance on your head. So this is the very basic and most important of all breakdance moves parts. Okay, now practice again. Sit like this, keep your hands here, and this should be straight, not like this. This should not be folded, it should be straight. Then your head,
And lift your one leg, any one of two. So I did my left like this. Your right leg will be down the floor like this. Lift and do not move your body. Right leg should be to the front and left leg back. You have to balance like this.
and then gradually you will be able to perform it well and will be expert. Okay, so keep practicing this again and again, and if there is any wall, you can keep your leg on the wall. So just by that you can practice it, and practice this only on floor, like here on grasses. Okay, not which is concrete, because as you all are beginners. Okay, so I hope you find this video amazing and interesting, and I hope this will help you to make balance on head. So till that time, take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Bye bye.